Hi, today's October 30th, 2019, and I have a pump here. This is a Cybor 5116 Photoresist pump, equipment number 10453, and the purchase order is 495911. Okay, this pump has been fully refurbished and cleaned and tested. I hooked it up here with IPA so you can see that it's dispensing correctly. I have it set up for 15 mils of liquid and or IPA. So I'm going to do a couple of dispenses. My beaker reads in increments of 10, so I'm going to do 2 dispenses, which will equal 30 because I have 15 mils. And here goes. I'm going to do 1 dispense and then I'll do another one after that. Okay, so it's dispensing right now, and that's approximately 15 mils. I'll do another dispense. Now remember, this is IPA. It's going to be a little different when you run with a higher centipoids, thicker material. So here goes again. I'm going to do it again. Okay, that's my second dispense, and it's right at 30 mils. Okay, so I'll do it again. I've already ran it many times to make sure that it's running. And as you can see, I pulled the beaker out there after the dispense. It's not leaking, so that's really good. That means it's tight. Here goes. I'm going to do another dispense. And let the pump recover. Okay, I'll do 1 more dispense. There's no air in the line. Really nice dispense. Okay, this concludes the test, and as you can see, the pump is running really well. Thank you very much and have a nice day.